Hi there folks, I'm Kyle.
And I'm Joanna.
And we are here with the Fundamentals Workshop here at Bytown Open. So starting off, we took a review of the basics, right, with the pushes and passes. So with the push break, we started off going 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, taking it 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and a 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. From there, we did a drill where we decided to walk up and down the floor, right? However, the intention of this drill was that so we were both able to stay on the same page by staying in an away connection as we were walking. Right? The same applied for walking backwards, where I, as the leader, would do almost like a little brace step to start the weight transfer, and then to sync up with the follower, I then allowed the follower's transfer to take me to the foot. Otherwise, it runs the risk of stepping ahead of your follower, right, and continuing the momentum backwards and getting out of sync.
For the followers, we were making sure that we weren't getting our shoulders over our heels. So even though we're traveling backwards, we're not getting our shoulders back over here. We're still continuing with that connection with the leader, so that we're making sure that my shoulders are still kind of over the balls of my feet, even though my hips are traveling through my entire foot.
Right? And this technique can apply to all of your basic steps, and you want to constantly manage yourself as well as manage the partnership when you're going through your basics. I think that's it. We'll see you next time.